most important team enumere nomiensa Democracy Cup baso dede ni nyina ne ana ya kwanchi ni nyina bragging right na ne yehu dia Ghana Premier League no be ma a certain exposure bi so betimi ante ana so betre bibia mi hu se akwa de wa hihye team ba abrofo bienu na ewe ni ne
abrofo mienu ba first of all me ba na me share ekwan so
okay
na sa euphoria that atmosphere I'm expecting say usually and I was a winner ahead of Kotoko Hearts of Folk game. Maybe but unfortunately me nyasa euphoria no around. You said that yeah because said the first and Kabo say Kotoko flags all over. Drivers efie who do obo say sisim ni ade ubenya has and so there no. Unfortunately maybe no say there's this big man or NPP penny pa na me man the foot be about say games be say no so mo ticket e che ne ade a penny kese pa o okay him say menua minim kra say Kotoko ne has o game ene and I understood him and no yen try say a free samre yi kodie enkechi yen shase na yen ma sa dede no ensu and I believe that with time ebeko because Ghana, yen version of the El Clasico. It's a Clasico baba the baswa. We expect to say sa fever, sa atmosphere no. E was a wunya. I know who be bisa. Tienya hu adwuma. Now Rich. Gabi. Game ya eba so hu. Me emfa say just a friendly game na eba. Me da bia me ka say me appreciate Kotoko ne has. Sem previous omo ani bie, me ka omo ani bie am pese me kire say. Ali and Zamalek, they so on friendly match. Gabi point na say. Ali and Zamalek said the omu the rivalry no. I know share to the point to say. Edu baby cry na. Ababe mo jasem. Just like Madrid Barca. But on him the me fell Kotoko ne aso. So better say even no more game na BBS here. And no omu mienu say entokwa na si omu ntemu. What is say Kotoko ne supporters ekoda? Unti bi da. To me appreciate you omo was our atmosphere na ya no omo edema say that friendly atmosphere ye betimi atwetwe ye ho ye behuru ye ho ba se Kotoko bobo wo has ananka go pramaso a onsuro o journalist a uko bi ye mo nsewo obi aye mo nsero because oko no mo a unim say ha hwento agabi say has any different team be ebo a membodi na team is be ebo a oko stadium na yem hyehywo Kotoko nso obo asa enti commend you for saying the say you be who you want change you. You the bitterest rivals on the pitch, but off the pitch, you pa. Now so we Kotoko board member, an executive board member. Me born about on year picture to be. Now me fake I'm paying for when you say. I reach Michael Sanya my way no players no see any anum ni mo. Na mum say ye free sa level no na edru so mote prrr say game e ba so dia na sa yon ko fa ne anuanum ni nyina asizi eno na ene ye behu
okay
yen kan share for begina ma to ayirem game no e be feel enya feel ejina ne so Charles Bulu o say Charles Bulu edru ba bia ne nsem no e bebre bi sa I am in tia say Rich yenya class 1 referee na onye FIFA referee. This Voltarian or say a journalist. The Odi Kotoko ne has about 4 seasons ago. So as I referee na make that young guy. Yenya ni mani di Kotoko ne has bibia NC. Or the game the French him. Amo obia himself for a very long time. Not even referees are simple. Referee Wellington mumpo me FIFA referee simple no mu jane Kotoko ne has games. But that young guy
is it Rastona Gbana?
Good. That means so. Actually, say we student of the game. Who did 3 year pa? Why are there? Who's the son of the Eddie Kotoko ne as you and so kai? Obi abon abasumeboa. Ye obi ati ne ho ase say why aso ne se ne aso. Sana na mpese me mpese bedru sa stage a emre bi Kotoko ne. You na
afi referee wa ba be take center stage.
Emre bi Kotoko ne as afi edru ho no man na wo say Togo referees. Onim say Togo referees Eddie Kotoko ne as games a. First part bi semu. It's mean foreign referees. Yempesa besa. a bedroom stage be a beka say yen nyina no sa me stress no ho ye pese say Ali Nezamal Kiebi omo to be referees from Italy ni ade ye mpene sa ye pese yen ye de na ne die matches but omo ba nso a ye ha referees no problem ni say drew baby a enema ne too much me na me pese me je di da say Kotoko ne as say it me referees Antonio maybe or one me amity wo masum team kobobi ache me nka Charles Bulu asemo da bi but ache meba anas expose fahin anas expose e bo me to e bo me nsa na again be ya enye Kotoko ne as but see it me referee mu meboa e dey expose entu dey unim bibia kra no that alone should tell you say
your football and yes any ayesi hu tembia ye kano at least bibi kakra wom
more at least yenya evidence because no me perfect because no me say game where referee bi antimi nya kokodro say omo lie ni bia tete ni ade ni
o sabe de me
game one ni anim say
oh na kwanza on the so ye has referee that o de has in internet there enya good
and it was a game when me expect say me say referees bet me bibi ayenim ba Kotoko ne has the referee bia ni wo benya kokodro say maybe be a found say genuinely a mistake our year but say Kotoko ne has the biggest game of our calendar and ye munyema a woman say referee bet me nya kokodro say Messi score line enti me advise Charles Bulu because game no ebe ko ye free ono enko ye free ono high profile personalities and able on the game the French si asemi ame Kotoko ayen se edin ni enko e baby si esa so ane asa team oya referee nipa dia on the assistant mistakes ba ku mienu miense beba
menye de say you too obvious
and they too obvious and mama then try say unim referees nso mistake ebi mu ni akukodro hwe so ye mistake Kotoko ne aso oya mistake ba ku a na ne am ase no
na atia
fa so ene ma me balance no dabi me enye saade no ete say yen adwuma hu so ni akukodro a na ebi awa ASANTE mu ha uka bi ma ha sa the next time I issue bi beba watena so no uno obi akukodro te say yen no mu a ya pa o ye chi a emfa se me Kotoko ni a o mo so ade hu ahum tie ni hu e kwa komene kasa yi se uka bi di ma Kotoko enso ebi ana Kotoko asem nye de enti referee ni nya sa akukodro no si enka se pe accountant on the pitch debit our friends say debit the receiver credit the giver mo
afina oba be say my say dia me we say
no we mistake why you twem because me try dey be minimum footballers pa many footballers daily footballers unim so read referees pa omunim referee bia enti footballers so your referees be why no musro mo your referees be so ho musro mo obeka cho play say referee oh minimum no
true
hey say Kotoko play about so no about so kwai pass one money card has to play yes has to play about money card Kotoko penny be raso wa money card
to stamp your authority
exactly stamp your authority oh yes ana game no betim your flow because omo redo no mo say and say man where mra most happy no na bibi e ba beginns
but asem we a wo can think say eno na say Ghana football as ho ne ye hwe etoda bia then etoda bia yes referees ni na nya ade o dia wo kan dia wo kan ya one mistake bi aba na say we wan nje ne ye de nde so ye ni say
so your problem and the amount players are more intelligent now has had this player Charles Alti first no you say game as Kotoko ne aso edika bubuga baako say referee man yellow card
no one say
oh
and then ye
sa pepe already and intelligent players no one bet me ready say bema man na mu da ho you bet me aborof enko baby ah no see you perceive say game need flow because shade bi Eric Tinkler me on said the Tinkler ball no and your baller or person about expressive soccer meboa or person o mat ni game flow obi onim Tinkler bia fa ni Sylvia sa na wom oba ye so ne kasa na o ka about yem pages no na ya about
ball flowing football
perfect Baba Yara enya kra no ene ye hu pictures ni videos no ye hu say Baba Yara eda so ti Tinkler ball no person obo no Baba Yara be boa na manabo Tinkler obi onim Tinkler team bia emmo buga has so be good football the amount I mean sure the into be good football stadium ra hat to folk eja ni coach ekwan Didi Dramani mitie board member Penyimpa Bako Dr. Nyawotamakulu oh yeah highly influential or say has games no na influence ball out one na so kan na omo pe coach a obetimi am omo sa game so obetimi dominate opponent about good football na omo show omo asa say ye omo mpe close score line enti amami hu say the house nso esi na ni so no ope game a exciting meaning no akwa couple a onim say obema na say exciting football enti couple for instance ontimi ma me hide or say couple ba obiem obo good football tis a two teams no ready so bebo good footballer when ya pitch papa or the bebo ene enti ufu say be ka dey referee ne betimi amomie no obo good football
okay
cause who best start so obo bugana no asha say ma cats we are so in discipline and no asha say ma cat obo say abom enti afa no bema momfa ball nto classico ni ehwe enti afa obi ade ball ne beto so obo obi antimi mobuka obi antimi more rough because me know we witness Kotoko had to for games bia no more ball na buga ne door so edu baby na anya obi afa simply because referee losing authority tina mama emphasis eba ho no and then the lines must also help the referee including the match commissioner Sadia ni ti amra na se referee ne person ode oye ne amra kwan so agya no ma nanya me am offer ne memfa ne kransie yi offer ya maponko o se emre bi aka se Kotoko ne as kokko ball wa akra more than 30 minutes na game number so na offer ya maponko se da na ye issue of Jesse any emun sensem so obeka ya offer ya mo ha gini sa strategy no was simple no offer ya mo ahwe petentakra mo say Kotoko time na was your book game no see a game na say time na has for be here the strategy was me year delay for more than 30 minutes in a more ball babra emremu no e basa retro kwan say o say retro game no ni awarded the 3 points in my house leboa
yeah
entro say ene no but onim referee here so person upon game match commissioner na catch referee say she crowd here wo hoyi a crowd upon game na enye yi no a mistake
okay
e do no ade emremu no say na how to folk game mistake nanka has yes obe delay game no for 30 minutes or more
baba ni apon
ye be pon game no ye nso obi aso biomu enti Kotoko mo ma na nkontia no has ye be ma na kwa etia no
okay
now ye ba game no so Gabi Kotoko ne had to folk me be kire wade bi pa
ye we just 3 minutes pe o
hey game sir wow Gabi Kotoko likely lineup shade ye lineup here me dey ma ohu about 90%. Goalkeeping department Danlad Ibrahim. Right side of defense Sanja. Left side of defense Patrick Esiedu. Center of defense Bibi Ansesa Hamza Tano and Abrante and Philip Amoa. Central midfield Richard Buadu Agadas. Emmanuel one say the finest midfield about where yeshin and himsanka game wino obey in such a bebre game no be no one started Hubert Jau rather Burkina Faso
and the best
started now the number 10 row no Isaac Opoku Ajiman Emmanuel Mama best started game no na me sha de bi unim baby ana me hwe Kotoko baby ana me hwe pa one say uba goalkeeping department Kotoko advantage over has adentia. Yes, Benjamin Asare with the level our Baba Bedru no. The biggest brand in Ghana football for now. Take it or leave it. Benjamin Asare. They say the biggest brand in Ghana football. Of course, for now, no, he's the biggest brand.
Yeah.
Manning the goalpost for her to folk a huge advantage for them. But Danlad and so many reviews on also
yes.
On also on level be.
Yeah.
But advantage or the Kotoko say nyame mfasa ama say Danlad mpo e prako koba na say bibi simpo a
who another best goalkeeper
Kotoko equally good goalkeepers or more actually but how to folk any sa luxury ni bi to say first abeka say yes to say Benjamin Asare be first na aside kwa bibi and them from Albesi and entesa and too short ne critically Kotoko benya sa advantage no now Oba Center of Defense na Obo Ali Mohammed ene Abrante and the Kelvin Osensibi Pikia. Onim say now fa Hamzata ene Philip Amoa. A honor so hard to folk else show the chain Kotoko. Say the goalkeeping department no. A Kodema Kotoko no. Oba sa part on no hard to folk ewo huge advantage because some ranting we mean no or telepathy or chemistry. Memi remfi say last season na Philip Amoa ene Hamzata ene ball. But what they mention as but ha say there Ali Mohammed Abrante and the Kelvin Osensibi. So that understanding, that chemistry already is there. And it's a bit of a problem because Omo no Mobo Kotoko Central Defense so a block Samba O'Neill. They are gone. So they are making. So I don't know who should make critically in a way an advantage man has. However, a also Kotoko so an advantage in a way because has a young Niema who baby all your faye.
Go player no mama who say na ni weakness it here.
Exactly. Enti ema near day the man has so. Now the mother me shadi bi din. Mama enya honom na so de mramba mkra manusia. Kotoko ato for kudin baby ana ehia pa ye pa. Midfield battle. Steady since time immemorial. Mama ma be 10-15 years pempo die. Se has besa Kotoko ane ejina has midfield. Kotoko betimi ahye has ejina Kotoko midfield. Enti kai cops ni ajatete mo no. Na omunya edge over Kotoko because say obo even Steve no draw ebo na Mike Asante pese ebo a ejuma cops ni ajatete mutimi ye wo midfield no na anu eden do draw skillful
yes
but na man ye den de ma Kotoko omutimi twifa Kotoko midfield so e dominate play na omo ahye Kotoko sha ubetimi aba Francis Jojo Bossman so kai no
yeah
Jojo Bossman Emre bi osia ne match yie uni ne match osia oni aja tete kwabna doji 6 basa eda Kotoko say has 3 and Kotoko chance and ko be say has 4 and 5 and 6 crow jeja no Georgia mo amabreso no okay say do baby kwabna doji fa midfield ni nyina na has intimi nyehwe aja tete ya no atia no ya no afoke no na o say has midfield no enti Kotoko nya field dey operate a create clear cut chances. Cause now I'm Kwamre Kun so we can no bench a chance no obem. Kotoko se has Jino Sade no nanka Kotoko se has 5 and 6 cry nanka nyewa. Na a midfield no. Enti steady side any critically Max Setre mo cry breast no she. So anytime obo se Kotoko and so timi dominate has air channel no. Nature say the midfield ejina brame. So can Gaddafi mo Michael Kufu mo.
Yes.
Enti mahu saade no. Say 2 teams no wa midfield. Ebe fa no titu holding midfield role no. Richard Boadu Agadas ma me na futu bia no pen. Agadas was our temperament no. Or was our level no. Obi anim Agadas.
Oh yes, of course.
Obi anim no. Ba Mesra Agadas ade bi. Game we onto ne bo onya abotrema no.
Fu na na.
Yes, onya abotrema no because say game we ohu. So we nya ne ho abotre nya ne ho why one person or cyber about to Kotoko mani age because obetimi abo eyiye pa. But I was say oye careful. When I'm so on me ya adwene pa. Say so on how to folk the no. Say we mistake now how to folk take over the midfielder. Say akra no Alex Banso no. Asemu asi.
Okay.
And no Kotoko make sure say midfield no how to folk enya sa control no. Say otimi yes ade ni here. Our advantage kakra. But watch out for my boy Alex Banso.
Okay.
Me see akra ni baby ade o minim no. Ba me hwe no.
Best player do ni mbo ba.
Yes, me person be excited crowd no. Na mum say excitement ni na ba wie no. Ani bra kakra minim information kakra mi kra no. Say encourage ya utie. Encourage ya. Kotoko man ni nda ho na onye de also ebia because as I speak to you now, pay information am one kakra minim no. How to folk win about 55 to 60%.
Well, okay, abusia ya da se Java Bwade mame ayi no wo